is Kate, and welcome back to another fun STEAM lesson with Storybook Engineering. And in this lesson, we're going to be focusing on the simple machine of a lever. So let's get started. First, let's start off by talking about what is a lever. Now, a lever is a board or a bar that rests on a support called a fulcrum, and its job is to help lift or move objects that are called loads. Now, the lever works when a force called an effort is applied to one end of the lever. And when effort is applied, the weight pushes on the fulcrum and in return lifts the load. And some examples of these levers are going to be like nutcrackers, staplers, tongs, tweezers, or even like a seesaw. Now it's time for your storybook that goes along with this lesson. So go ahead and make sure to pause this video now and enjoy reading or listening to the story of Little Red Riding Hood. It's a good thing that Woodsman was there to help save Little Red, but what if she had a machine to help deliver her basket of food to Grandma, so she didn't have to walk through those scary woods? We can use our knowledge of simple machines to help her out. What if we use our knowledge of levers to help create a catapult to help deliver the goodies to Grandma? And that's exactly what we're going to be doing today. Today we're going to be constructing our very own catapult to help Little Red deliver her goodies to Grandma. So the first step in constructing your catapult is you have to collect all the materials you're going to need. And for this activity, you're going to need 10 craft sticks, 4 rubber bands, some masking tape, a marshmallow, a cap to a bottle, and for this activity, you also might like either a ruler or a measuring tape too. After you have your supplies collected, you're going to take 8 of your craft sticks and stack them up on top of each other, and then take 2 of your rubber bands and secure the stack at the ends. So tie your rubber bands around the ends of your stack so it's nice and secure like this. Once you have your stack nice and secured, what you're going to do is you're going to take your 2 leftover popsicle sticks and you're going to set one down and then set your stack on top of it, and then you're going to take your other popsicle stick and set it on the top of the stack. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take a rubber band and you're going to tie it around the ends of the 2 popsicle sticks that are under and over your stack. So your catapult should look something like this right now. And this is when you're going to decide on what angle you would like your catapult to be at. I recommend kind of scooting your stack up close to that rubber band so that you have more leverage on your lever to shoot off your catapult. Then once you know exactly what angle you want your catapult to be at, go ahead and take your last rubber band and you're going to tie it around in kind of an X shape where the 2 popsicle sticks that are over and underneath your stack are connecting. So this is what your catapult should look like when it's all secured with the rubber bands. And the final thing that we have to add to our catapult is, of course, we have to add a spot where we can set our basket, or our marshmallow in this case, to be launched off our catapult. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our bottle cap and you're going to take a couple pieces of tape and you can put one on the bottom of the cap and you want to set it onto this end of the catapult, and you want to leave enough room too that you can press down on your catapult so you don't want it too far up. And then I would take another piece of tape too and just kind of go around the cap and the stick to help keep it nice and secure. And then of course we have to test out our creation. So go ahead and take your catapult to an area with lots of space, so either like a hallway or even outside would work great. So how your catapult works is you're going to load it up with your marshmallow, which represents our basket of goodies that we're sending to Grandma's house. And then you're going to press down on your lever and watch it fly forward. Great job on today's project. Now your catapult works because when you press down on your catapult, you're building up tension. And tension is a force that builds up when you pull back or stretch an object. And this creates potential energy. And when you release that tension, the energy pushes forward, and it causes the object that is in your catapult to fly forward. Now your catapult is a great example of a lever because when you press down on your catapult, that is you applying your effort, and that is what creates the tension to make the catapult work. And also, the point where your popsicle sticks cross, that is the fulcrum of your lever. Another fun activity that you can do with your catapult is have a competition with a family member or friend to see who can shoot their marshmallow the furthest, and you can keep track of it by using your tape measure or your ruler. Again, really great job with today's activity, and maybe next time Little Red Riding Hood can use her catapult to deliver her goodies to Grandma. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next lesson for some more fun with simple machines. Thanks, bye!